In this video, I'll detail how to disable or turn off Google Photo Backup on iPhone. So if you're using iPhone and you have Google Photos installed here, then I'm going to show you how you can disable automatic backup. So in sense of this is to make sure you have enough storage space so that you're able to back up your valuable data. So if you download this video, you found this video fun informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do here is open the Photos app on your iPhone if you have downloaded and installed it. Otherwise, go to App Store, search for Google Photos, download and install it on your device. Then open it. Once open it, to disable automatic backup on your Google Photos app, just click on the profile icon at the top right. Then click on backup. Then you want to disable this. Turn this off, and that's going to disable backup. You can see backup is off. Alternatively, if your backup is turned on, just click on the profile icon at the top right. Then scroll down, locate Google Photo Settings. On the Google Photo Settings page, click on Backup. Then make sure this is disabled. Once that is disabled, this is going to disable the Google Photo Backup on your iPhone. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.